Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the language of the show or movie that you're watching, showing you the different options you have there, as well as searching for content specifically by language. So we're going to start off by going into a very popular show here, Stranger Things, clicking OK on it. And then if you want to change the language, you go down to where it says audio and subtitles, and you can turn on the subtitles for a specific language if you want to do that, if it's available. And also you can select what audio you want. So for Stranger Things, there's a lot of different options here. There's English, French, German, Italian, as well as Spanish. Now you might want to filter shows or movies just simply by language. So if you want to do that, go back to the Netflix homepage and then go over to the left-hand side and go up to where it says search. And simply just type in the language that you want to filter by. So let's say we wanted to filter by Spanish. So we'll start typing in Spanish. And as you can see, down here in the common search area, we can see that we can filter by Spanish language movies, as well as Spanish language TV shows, Spanish comedies, things such as that. So let's just say we want to go to Spanish TV shows. You click OK on that, and then you can go ahead and sort through the different options that you have there in Spanish TV shows. You can do the exact same thing with Spanish movies. And it's not just Spanish. You can do this with other languages as well if you want to filter by that option. Just go over to search and type in the language that you want to look at those movies and TV shows through. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Those are the different options you have for changing the language of the content you're watching or simply searching for content based on a specific language. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.